Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel ComeOnTechies. Today's video I am going to explain regarding Python. It's a very basic information on Python, like what is the features available in Python, what is the application of Python, these all things. Let's start. Python is an interpreted high-level general purpose programming language. What is an interpreted programming language? As you know, there are two types of programming languages. One is interpreted programming languages, other one is compiled programming languages. What is interpreted one? First, our high level programming code will be directly executed line by line without doing an intermediate conversion of code. But in the case of compiled programming languages, we will be converting our high level programming code into an intermediate machine code, and that will be executed. And second feature, it is told like general purpose programming language. What is general purpose? It will be used in wide variety of areas and wide technologies, like all type of modern technologies. It is explained in coming slides. And next point is, what is the official website of Python? This is www.python.org. You can get access to the site and will get all relevant documents and information regarding Python. Next point, open source Python feature of Python. Python is developed under OSI-approved open source license, making freely usable and distributable, and can be used for commercial use. Python is licensed under Python Software Foundation. Python Software Foundation is a non-profitable foundation. And who is the creator of Python? It's Guido van Rossum. He is the creator of Python. It's a Dutch programmer, and first release of Python is happened on 20th February of 1991. Main points: Python is an interpreted high-level programming language. It is a general purpose programming language. Python.org is the official website of Python. Python is open source programming language. License is free of use. It's maintained by Python Software Foundation. Guido van Rossum is the creator of Python. We will move to next slide. Why Python is people favorite? This is the explanation which is provided in the Python documentation. Python is powerful and fast. It is powerful language. It can be used in different areas, to solve different programming challenges. It will be used in different technologies, and it is fast. Compared to other programming languages, it is fast and plays well with others. The interface with other programming languages and tools, it will be good. Runs everywhere. Means it is platform independent. You know, right? Java is a platform independent programming language. Same like Python also, a platform independent language. Suppose you develop the code in Windows environment, can be executed in Linux also, on Mac also. That is why it will run everywhere without without considering the platform. So friendly and easy to learn. So easy to learn programming language. Syntax is very simple. Can be easily remembered syntax. And is an open source programming language. I already explained in the last slide. Let's move on. Python application in the real world. What are the applications in the real world? Python is used in web development. These are the main frameworks which is available in Python. Django, as you know, Django is a heavyweight Python framework. Flask is a lightweight. CherryPy also a main framework used. In game development also Python is using. Pygame, PyKyra and Pyglet are the different libraries available for game development. Machine learning, it is used. Artificial intelligence also Python is used. The main packages are Numpy, Scipy, TensorFlow, Pandas, Mathplotlib. These are the libraries available for machine learning and artificial intelligence. And data science, the same packages can be used in data science also. Data visualization, Mathplotlib, Seaborn and Ggplot, Pygame, Altair. These are the different packages available in data visualization. And desktop GUI application, PyQt, tkinter, Qweave, WXPython are the packages available in Python. And web scraping also providing support. BeatifulSoup, Scipy are the packages available. As concluding this slide, web development, game development, machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science, data visualization, desktop GUI, web scraping are the different areas, main areas. There are some more areas also will be the main areas only covered here. And these are the different companies, main companies using Python. Because you see Google, IBM, NASA, YouTube, all main players are using Python. Automation is the main area all companies are looking nowadays, right? Python is very good in automation. That's why most of the company will be using Python. And key features of Python. First point is easy to code. It's very easy to code. And second point is free and open source. Python, in the previous slide we explained, it is open source programming language, right? It is free, no need of payment or no license. This is freely available and we can install it and we can make use of that. Object-oriented programming language. We will be knowing what is object-oriented programming. Having a real world object can be implemented using class and instance logic. And Python have a large set of standard library. You can make use of Python standard library for implementing different features. Python is providing a pip installation of this standard library. We can directly install pip through pip and we can make use of these standard libraries. And dynamically typed language means the type of the variable can be assigned to it will be assigned during runtime. No need of declaring the type in advance in Python. Python is an integrated language. Python can be integrated with other programming languages. There is no restriction for integrating Python. And Python, as I told in previous slide, it is an interpreted programming language. Thank you for today's session. If you like this video, please like this and subscribe this video.